A credit freeze is a tool consumers can use to help protect themselves against credit fraud. When you freeze your credit reports, most companies are blocked from viewing them until you thaw the freeze. One of the most effective tools for preventing identity theft is a credit freeze, which can keep thieves from opening new accounts in your name. When you don't plan to use your credit for anything in the foreseeable future, freezing your credit may be an excellent idea. If you don't need that information available, why leave it out there? For example, if you recently bought a car and you don't plan to move or buy property anytime soon, there aren't many reasons for new inquiries into your credit. For children and incapacitated consumers, you can also freeze credit for children under the age of 16 and incapacitated people under guardianship. In many cases, those individuals aren't applying for loans or using their credit frequently, so there's no need to make it available to the world. Even if you freeze your credit, some forms of theft are still possible, and you need to monitor your accounts for signs of fraud. You can also monitor your credit on your own by ordering free credit reports, one per year from each of the 3 main credit bureaus, at annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors or activity you don't recognize, and dispute them with the credit bureau. Verified Safe Cybersecurity Solutions, protecting America through technology.